Do you think our threaded studs can support the weight of one of our vans? What do you think?
I don't know. Let's find out.
First, we had to design the structure to hold the van using our Profis MSE and Profis Engineering software packages. Once that was done, we could move on to the install. For this, we needed a drill with a stepped drill bit, a BX3 to fire in the XPT studs, and of course, the XPT studs themselves. The structure to hold the vans consisted of two steel pedestals anchored into the concrete, with an MT90 girder connected to the pedestals with XPT studs and MT base plates. The engineering team set out the anchor locations using our fabrication container as a reference point, before drilling the holes in the concrete and installing our chemical anchors. We then assembled the cross member by connecting the base plates to the MT90 with thread forming bolts. We installed the XPT studs into the pedestal using the process shown at the start of the video. We then slotted on the cross member, tightened up the bolts, and then we were ready to drive the van on and test out our design. Let's see how we did.
Nearly over, you're over now. And just take it a little bit back. Yeah, don't stop. Yeah.